throughout the previous videos, we were able to create the home page, the build form page, and the results page, which will show up if we fill in all these text boxes. Now, since we are in the development phase, we're doing a lot of tests, like trying out as a user, trying out our web app, and we need to fill in these data all the time. It's a good practice to have some default values in the form. And the way you do that is by going to the form class here, and let's say here default equal to the amount, let's say 100. The build period default equal to December 2020 maybe. For name, the default would be John, perhaps. Days in the house, for John, the default would be maybe 20. Name 2, the default would be Mary. Days in the house 2, the default would be maybe 12. So Mary is staying less. She should expect to pay less. So I think this is fine. Let me see. Oh yeah, I reloaded the page and you see that all the data are filled automatically. If I press the calculate button, it says John pays 62.5. Of course, if you go back, you can change the data. Let's say 200, and John pays more now. So that's how you can have default data for your fields, for your widgets. See you in the next video.